Would you look at that? Tim Cook, he sent the very first iPhone XS Max to me because he's such a big fan of Unbox. No, of course he didn't. He didn't even invite me to the event. Had to take matters into my own hands. Had to reach out to China. I need an iPhone XS Max. What can you do? And then this came out. This, my friends, is an exact replica, the XS Max. You look at the description, it's crazy what they're able to do here. They even tell you to go to apple.com/iPhone/specs to see the spec list. Infinite loop, Cupertino, they have the address and so on. It's pretty wild. They claim it's space gray, 256 gigabytes of storage. Now, if you're unfamiliar, these phones have been pumped out every single iPhone release, and it will launch in many cases before the actual version because I guess they've got the specs and dimensions available to them and they're like, boom, let's put it into production. This goes a step further in the sense that the OS, even though it's Android in the background, it's gonna look like iOS. Maybe you're gonna be able to fool some people into thinking it's an actual iPhone. We'll find out. This is a bit of a giveaway. Obviously in the Apple box, you're not gonna have this bubble wrap. You definitely won't have this sticker on the back. Oh, look at this. Also stickers over top of the logos. I noticed another difference on the iPhone section here. Normally you would have some text underneath the word iPhone, not in this case here. So it's bigger than the iPhone 10. This is the 10 over here. Quick comparison, of course, Apple will still be making this form factor, but this is the new guy. The purpose of this video is to see how close this replica really is, especially once I boot it up. The charge brick. Can I say something? Can I just be a little critical right now of Apple? Because I feel that I have to be. A lot of people don't know, but on the next version, those phones are capable of quick charge, but they're not giving you a quick charge brick in the box. But you would really expect Apple, I mean, you're spending like $1,000. Please put the quick charge brick in the box, please. It just seems like the right thing to do. No, you will have to buy that as an extra. Otherwise, you're charging slow with the little mini adapter. Anyhow, little screen protector there. I mean, it really feels like an iPhone 10, to be honest. These buttons feel pretty good. I think the Apple logo might be a little off-center, ever so slightly. Plus, is that chin a bit bigger? I think so. Oh yeah, definitely. A much bigger chin. It's a dead giveaway. Oh, I don't know. Kind of convinced. Are you convinced, Jack? Look at that. Is it snappy? It's okay. I don't know. It's not quite as fast. No, there's no way that's OLED. Viewing angles, not quite there. It doesn't look terrible though, comparatively speaking. Let me see if I can change the region. Here you can see the settings menu. Very similar. Kind of convincing. The display, like I said, is a bit of a giveaway. It's nowhere near as vibrant as the actual one, but usable. The multitasking actually working like an iPhone. It's incredible. It's usable. Oh yeah, the camera must be terrible. Yeah, it's a cheapo camera. This is how you're gonna figure this out, ladies and gentlemen. Not a very sharp image. It has a zoom. I don't know if it's legit or not. It's definitely not 2x. Look how small that zoom is. It's a crop. What about the front-facing camera? It's just grabbing focus on my eyeball for some reason. I don't know, I guess the front one's a bit better than the rear one. It's not good though. It's not comparable with anything that I would recommend you buy right now. Let's put it that way. What about the speaker? Of course, we should check that. This keyboard is another giveaway. We got an Apple advertisement. Perfect. It doesn't sound good. It does not sound. Look, I don't know why these kind of phones exist. I don't know who wants this. Can you fool someone? Yeah, maybe at a distance, but what are you doing? There's so many great Android phones that are gonna cost a similar amount to this. Maybe you really need that logo in your life. This video is Tim Cook's fault because I could have the real XS Max sitting here right now with a proper evaluation for you guys, but I'm stuck with this knockoff because he won't answer my phone calls. Otherwise, I gotta wait till the device actually comes out. In the meantime, this is as close as you're gonna get as far as an unboxing experience is concerned. Straight from China to the Unbox Therapy headquarters. Tim Cook, open invite. Get in touch. Send the real deal. We'll see if it's any better than this one. It's definitely more expensive.